Nako.
Oo. Oh, my remit. Alright.
Gift.
No. UMAC Express
Oh wait,
Cargo.
joke. Hindi pala gift to Beth. I can't read.
CHT. CHT.
There you go.
Value
Thank you so
Fiesta.
much po, CHT
Yes.
Events. UMAC Express Cargo.
Pink rubies.
Manila Convenience Store.
Ay, ito na. Ay,
Ayun na pala eh.
alright, thank you
Pinapera ko ng
sponsors.
San Miguel.
Country Hills Toyota Sayang ba tawag no? Toyota Sayang, alright? Ames Human Resources and Immigration Incorporated. ATV Financial.
Thank you so
My
much.
remit A Capamilia, service of TFC. Pink Rubies Photography, Jojo and Ruby Fontanilla.
GHD Events. Party Rentals and Arrangements.
Christian Hanilet Avalos.
Manila Convenience Store again. Ilocania Driving School. Bong and Jackie Espiritu, thank you so much po.
Godofredo Ferdinand Aguirre Legal Services.
Holiday Inn Calgary Airport Hotel, Jason and
Yes,
lovely
okay.
Henderson.
Yes, thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Alex Tumang, Remax Realty.
Crosstown Auto Center, Edmonton.
Barrio Fiesta, Restaurant Calgary.
Vilma Buenaventura, maraming salamat Mami Feed. Austin's Bar and Grill, Jude kausapin.
UMAC Express Cargo Calgary. Larry Bagiza and Des
Yes,
Ines.
yes.
Thank you so much
Thank you po.
Sun Life Financial Canada, Mr. Joy Antonio.
Essence of Cleopatra, Judith and Lloyd Baran.
Calyao family, Larry
Calao.
J. Calao. Sorry, it's Calao family. Larry J, Lori, and Leah.
SR Cash Remit, Mariciel Pilande and Ronald Tolentino.
TFC, the Filipino Channel.
Thank you po.
Smart Choice Money Transfer, Ron Eric De Castro.
And of course, our media sponsors,
Yep.
Pinoy Times,
Pinoy Living Today.
Pinoy Aquino.
Pinoy
Pinoy
Times.
Times.
On air, 94.7 FM. So the DJ Obi, DJ Allen, and DJ Oshel.
Radyo Filipino, CSJW 90.7 FM. Tiofi Buluran.
Buluran.
TV Filipino, Josef Pepito and Cecil Magpayo. Thank you so much po.
And thank you so much to the production crew, the executive producer, of course, Tita Connie.
Yes.
Everyone give her a round of applause.
Pinoy Times Entertainment, Tita Connie.
Event
Ay, pambihira, nagabala pa kayo.
Hi,
Okay, sa mga magbibigay, hindi po bababa ng 20 kilo, ha? Dahil masyadong mabigat po yung ano namin.
Excess bag.
Babalik pa po
Nexus
kami.
package. Next time na lang yung iba, ha? Thank you very
Kaya
much.
ngayong Pasko.
Okay, let's just
Alright.
finish it. Our event director, Sir Alan Sergio Isidoro. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you po.
So technical coordinator, Miss Evelyn Lopez. Our MCs, Rochelle Ugadan and Gerard Feliciano. Foxy Production, Philippines. Oh, it's my mom, Maribel Lenore. Production staff, Miss Nene Kasunkad, Antoya Morado, Lynette Borneo, and Siegfried Isip.
Thank you so
At
much.
kayo pong lahat ng natin rito, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sana po